Welcome to Ms. K's class. The teacher is happy and her students feel successful. But it wasn't always like this. Ms. K used to struggle with paper assignments: print, copy, pass out, collect, grade, and hand back. In class, she could only help one person at a time, and this meant that she didn't know how the rest of her students were doing, especially the ones too shy to raise hands. Ms. K couldn't stand to leave students hanging, so she started using Classkick to give them instant feedback. Now she can prep any kind of assignment all without paper, using her own worksheets, new web content, or embedded audio and video. When it's time to work, Ms. K sees every student, and each of them gets to go at their own pace. When needed, students can raise their hand privately. Ms. K jumps straight into this question to give feedback. Students see this help instantly and keep working. Even better, teachers can allow students to help each other. Using Classkick, students get feedback like never before, from their teacher, from each other, both in class or at home. Get it for free at getclasskick.com.